Unlocking idioms. If the shoe fits, unraveled. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English idiom. If the shoe fits. Idioms can be tricky, but they add flavor to the language and are essential for fluent conversation. So, let's unravel this idiom together and understand how to use it effectively. The phrase, if the shoe fits, wear it, is an idiom that suggests that if a description applies to you, then you should accept it, even if it's not flattering. It's often used to suggest that someone should accept criticism gracefully if it's accurate. The origin of, if the shoe fits, can be traced back to a time when shoes were not as perfectly sized as they are today. If someone found a shoe that fits, it was sensible to wear it. Over time, this practical advice transformed into a metaphor for accepting something that is suitable or appropriate, even if it's not entirely pleasant. 1. Accepting criticism. When someone points out a flaw or a mistake, and it's accurate, you might respond with, "Well, if the shoe fits, I'll have to wear it," acknowledging the truth in the observation. 2. Advising others. If you're suggesting to someone that they should accept a critique or a comment because it's accurate, you might say, "You know, if the shoe fits." 3. Reflecting on self-awareness. This idiom is also a reflection of self-awareness. It's about recognizing your own characteristics or mistakes when they are pointed out. Let's see how this idiom works in different contexts. 1. After the meeting, Tom said, "I guess if the shoe fits, I need to be more prepared next time." 2. Lisa told John he was being stubborn. John sighed and replied, "If the shoe fits, I guess I need to work on that." 3. During the performance review, the manager said, "Your work has been sloppy lately." Marie nodded and said, "If the shoe fits, I have no choice but to accept it and improve." Understanding idioms like, "if the shoe fits," not only makes you proficient in the language but also enriches your communication skills. It's about embracing the nuances of English and enjoying the depth it brings to your conversations. Hope this exploration has been enlightening, and you're now ready to use this idiom with confidence. Keep learning, and if the shoe fits, keep practicing.